Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I'm Sally, and in today's video we're going to be making and using some wooden circles. I've had tons of these in a bag left over from a YouTube video I'd done previously, and I'll link that one down below, but I thought that perhaps we could have a go at doing some embellishing them, decorating them and sculpting with them on the silhouette. So shall we get straight into the video? So all I'm doing here is I've got a long strip of fabric and I'm just going to cut the end, and you can just rip the fabric like so, or you can cut it if you want to, whatever you like really. So I've got my wooden hoop and I am just going to wrap a strip of white cotton fabric around the base. Since it's quite opaque, I think that'll work well. So just go all the way around, and once I get to the end I just create a loop and pull the strip of fabric through so that it just finishes it off nicely. Now you can use that as a feature for some of the strips that are kind of dangling off, or you might want to get it quite tight. In that case you could just trim them off. I've just started to pick up some organza fabric and I'm just going to tie that on, and I will just start experimenting and seeing what it would be like if it was just, rather than just the circle, just creating little loops with the organza strips, because it lends itself quite well. So I'm just going in and out of the strips and it's becoming more 3D. You can do it on one side, you can do it all the way around your circle. Just depends what you're looking for really. But at this stage you could continue to add another piece of fabric if you wanted to. I'm probably just going to stick with the organza, and I'm just tying knots as I go along to secure the piece. And then at this stage I'm going to go in with some gold organza.
And intermittently I'm just going to disperse that over the wooden circle so that we can have some white and gold kind of stripy effect going on around the circle. And I'm off. And now I'm just going to be using that beautiful fabric. I love that fabric there. The little sparkle bit of flowers over the gold organza tulle. And I'm just going to layer that up over some gold satin fabric there.
So what I want to do now, I really want to start using some wire and putting these together, all connected, so that I can work on this mannequin here. So I'm going to just check out and see which wire is going to be best. I don't know if that is too strong or not. This one probably would go best. This one's really fine and lovely, but I think it's going to be too soft. All I'm doing here is I've just grabbed some of this wire and I'm just connecting them both. So I've just wrapped the wire around a few times just to keep all of that sturdy. I've probably gone around it too many times, but I just want to make sure it's not going to come apart. And then I'd probably just put a little bit of fabric over the front there somehow. And that's how we are going to connect the rest with wire. They're all connected now. I've put wire around them. And so I just wanted to see. Well, yeah, it's got loads of potential. I don't know whether to make a bit more though. Don't know. So I've just pinned it on for now. I'm thinking that I'm going to stop there today. I've set out a few more wooden hoops because I've got an idea of how to expand it and work on the mannequin around the collar a little bit more. I've also got some lace out that I really want to use. I've had it in the drawer and I haven't done anything with it, and I think it will be perfect to use with these as well. So, and I've got tons more fabric there that I can keep going with. So I'm going to leave little Layla there. You right, Layla? Yeah. Oh, I'm a bit tired, Sally. That is the original one, and then I'm going to connect all of these and then we'll connect them back with this one, and then we'll have a go with putting them on the mannequin. Gosh, they're really, really beautiful just as they are, aren't they? I mean, look at that. Look at that one. Just a mixture of fabrics. Popped on some Angelina. There's another mixture one. I do like the combination of fabrics on them. Okay, gang, this is what I've got. I've connected everything with the silver wire, and I've tried to disperse a kind of even amount of some of the whiter ones and some of the creamier ones and the gold bits of fabrics. And I've also tried to put the lacy bits distributed evenly around so that there's not a lot of side by side samey type ones. So hopefully, you know, I can see what I mean. Look at her. Look at her sleeping. All right then, so let's try it on the mannequin. What do you think? I'm in love. I am in love with how that looks. How decorative and embellished does that look? The back. That's exactly what I wanted. Goodness, you could even have more going on further down the mannequin, couldn't you? How decorative does that look? I've not even pinned it down yet on the mannequin. I've just kind of sculpted it and popped it up on the shoulders. But yeah, look at what you can do with just those wooden circles. I kind of want to do more, really. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today, and if you did, please do one of three or all three. So like the video, comment on the video, or subscribe. Fourth thing, share the channel, that would be wonderful, and I shall see you in the very next video.